Hey family, this is Darlene. During my lunch period, I worked on some wire earrings, and because I love the crinkle so much on the wire, I went ahead and tried something a little bit different. And I'm thinking I really like these, so I will probably do more of these. And the cool thing is I've used the 16 gauge wire, which is very lightweight. It's not heavy at all. So the earrings are not heavy. And these natural beads right here, these are those really small ones, I think like 6 millimeter or something. I'm trying to get this to focus. And in fact, the bigger iPad that I had, I broke it. I dropped it and broke it. And then I ordered another one and I messed around and ordered it in the wrong size. So that's the one that I'm using now. So I'm gonna have to order a bigger one, or maybe even some other type of recording device. But I like these. I think these came out really, really nice. In fact, I think these right here, these crinkle dangles, I'm gonna probably wear these over the weekend, maybe Sunday, because I like these. And I got the perfect dress that will go with these too. The dress is striped in all these different colors right here. It's a really beautiful dress with a deep V-neck. And it's really long because I like maxi dresses. I like my dresses dragging the ground, okay? But I haven't been able to wear them dragging the ground because of, like the COVID situation. So if they dragging, ain't no telling what I'm going to drag in the house. So what I do now is I pretty much tie knots around the bottom of the dress, which gives it its own little funky look. But I like these. I think these came out really, really nice. And this one right here, it almost looked like a music note. So I think I'll make more of these. I really, really like these. And then I like these too because I like the little curl on the end. And I'll be trying to figure out ways to utilize the wire just to give wire earrings a whole different personality, just some type of character, just anything different, that I can do with the wire. It's just a matter of learning what you can do with the wire. So these are a couple of the ones I was working on during my lunch period and just wanted to share. All right, and I will come back with a video showing how I made these. I keep saying that, and I'm trying to come up with, find the time to be able to videotape while I'm making things. But the thing is, during my lunch period, which is only like 30 minutes, that's a lot to kind of set the cameras up, just kind of do stuff. That would be rushing. So I just go ahead and take my time and do what I do. And I figure, oh, well. And then if I mess up something, I could always come back to it, when there's some downtime or something. Just won't be able to record it. But anyway, Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. Thanks for being a subscriber always and forever. We got a lot of new subscribers that have joined the community, and I thank you all. I know really soon I'm going to do some type of giveaway. I'm not sure what type of giveaway that's going to be as of yet. If it's going to be jewelry, or what, I don't know yet. But I'll let you guys know. It'll be something really, really soon. But anyway, Darlene Knight, Jewelry by BDK. We'll talk soon.